Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22i, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, auto rotation is now on, but you can always switch it off by hitting the same tile again. You can always go into Devices Settings, and instead of Tab menu, go into Display section. In it, select Advanced at the bottom and tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!